If you've been arrested for DWI in Harris or Fort Bend County, one of the options you may hear about is pretrial intervention, or PTI. For the right person, PTI can be a true second chance, but it's not automatic and it's not available in every case. I'm Anthony Segura with Segura & Canada. Today we're going to talk about pretrial intervention. Pretrial intervention is essentially an agreement between you and the prosecutor's office, where you complete a set of requirements over a period of time. If you successfully complete the terms of the agreement, the case is dismissed and you avoid the conviction altogether. The most important part is that PTI does not involve the court or the judge, so you never enter a plea of guilt or no contest. So when is PTI a good option? Think of it this way. If the evidence of intoxication is strong and the likelihood of conviction is high, then PTI can be the smartest path forward. Pretrial intervention is most commonly approved for people with no prior criminal history, or if there is prior law enforcement contact, it's minor and far in the past. It's much less likely when there's a serious accident, an injury, or other aggravating facts. And yes, your BAC level definitely matters. High numbers can make acceptance much more difficult. A DWI conviction can follow you for life. It affects jobs, professional licenses, security clearances, immigration issues, insurance rates, and your peace of mind when facing a background check. Pretrial intervention is valuable because it's an opportunity to avoid that conviction altogether. Pretrial intervention typically looks just like a regular probation. Classes, community service, meeting with the probation officer, and yes, breath test monitoring. In order for you to receive an offer of PTI, we have to convince the prosecutor that you deserve a second chance. That usually means showing that you've taken responsibility, you're genuinely remorseful, and you acknowledge the risk. Somebody could have been hurt. Most importantly, we need to demonstrate how your attitude towards and use of alcohol have changed. The prosecutor needs to be convinced that you will not repeat this mistake. Now, once you have that dismissal, we can talk about expunction. Expunction is a civil process whereby a court orders the destruction of records relating to the arrest and prosecution. In Fort Bend County, once your case is dismissed, we can proceed to expunction immediately. In Harris County, the terms of the pretrial intervention agreement typically require a 2-year waiting period following dismissal. During that 2-year period, you must stay out of trouble. If you're in Fort Bend or Harris County, I'll look at your case, we'll discuss the issues, and explore whether or not we can beat the case on the merits. If not, we'll discuss whether PTI is a legitimate option for you and what it will take to get you there.